All right, so now we're going to go to, you want to do synthesis or decomposition first? Decomposition. That is breaking apart, yep. Decomposition is breaking apart. Okay? All right. All right. Decomposing. Decomposition. All right. We have one species. This is a G over here. We have one species here that's going to break apart into two different species. Okay, this species is breaking up into two or more species here. And that's the definition of decomposition. Huh? Really? Prove it. Prove it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, prove it. Atom inventory. Atom inventory. Do an atom inventory. I don't know if I can lay my hands on one right away. Okay, I'll see if I can find one in a minute. Unless you do an atom inventory, you haven't balanced the equation. Even if it is balanced, I won't count it like it's not. You have to do an atom inventory. Well, he's claiming it's balanced over here, and I said prove it. If he doesn't prove it, and proving it means you have to do an atom inventory, I count it like it's wrong.
I know that.
Okay.
I'm saying like it is balanced.
Yeah.
So it's going to be wrong if you don't do the right thing. Yeah, really.
Guys, aren't y'all tired of hearing me say shh? Really? Come on. Okay.
Oh, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Oh, no, it's not a 2. It's going to be 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2.
It's just the way you put it.
Okay. It really doesn't matter. You can put them in any order you want to.
Order like they're in the first, like,
That's what I usually do, but it's not required that you do it that way.
right, that's good.
I think it's easier to do it that way, yeah. All right. So decomposition is very simply when you take something larger and break it up into other pieces. It can be 2 or 3 pieces. Okay? Now this decomposition occurs every time you open up a soft drink. That's it. Okay? All right. Synthesis. We're going to do synthesis next. Okay?
That's all for that one?
That's decomposition. Okay, let's see. How about we do this? Yes.
The decomposition one, I put in 1 first and then scratch down to the 3. Would that be okay? Because there's lots and right there and then I decided to add other slots.
I don't understand what you're saying. You put a 1 where?
Right there with the oxygen on the right side. Yeah, right there.
And you cross it out and put a 3? Yeah, that's fine. What do you think? All right, synthesis is the opposite of decomposition. You take two or more things and put them together into one large species. Okay? This is a 4 right here. Okay? And then you got to do an atom inventory. You got to do an atom inventory to balance it. Regardless of whether it's already balanced or not, it's not balanced until you do, because I'm from Missouri.
Okay, Tom Sawyer.
You call me Tom Sawyer?
Yep. Tom Sawyer.
You know those Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn that well, huh? Do you read do you read the sanitized version or the original version? No, they published Huckleberry Finn without some of the references to black people in there. Yes, it is already balanced, but you have to prove it. Okay? All right, so this is synthesis. Sure. Now before we go too far, I want to go back to double replacement for just a second and let you know we're not going to do it yet. But before this unit's over, there's a special category of double replacement. It's called acid-base or neutralization. And you have to be able to classify those in addition to classifying it as double replacement. But we'll get to that when we get to some other things, okay? Acid base or neutralization is a special category of double replacement that you have to double identify. If you have an acid base reaction, you have to double identify it. You have to identify it as double replacement and acid base. Yes. 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 Okay. So I'm about to give you some problems, and everybody's gonna write them down, and then I'm gonna call out some numbers for three of you to do them on the board. No. I'm just gonna. I don't know who has what number right now. I'm just gonna call some numbers, random. Huh? Well, until we run out of time, maybe we'll see. What now? Yes. If I call your number, you are. Everybody has to do them. Yes. C2H6, that's correct. Wait a minute, this should not be a solid, this is aqueous. I don't know where my head is. Okay, let's see. Let's have whoever has the number 3 can do this one. Whoever has the number 15 can do this one. And whoever has the number 24 can do this one.